Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Accounts and Sync. Now let's tap on Add Account, tap on it. We have to tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it whenever you want to, so you have to enter this section here, tap on the account you'd like to remove, and tap on delete account. Tap on OK. Alright, and as you can see, the account will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.